Hello, hello, my friends. Super excited to join you at lunch here in the East Coast. I am thrilled to talk to you a little bit about today's BOGO and also to give away this Desert Bloom passive diffuser and tell you a little bit about how to get the best deal, all the tips and the tricks that I have for it. So I'm going to go ahead and get my screen started. So give me just a second here. If you're tuning in with me or you're watching it, please give me a shout out. Say hello. Let me know if you got today's BOGO. So congratulations. Yesterday we were going to give away the passive diffuser, and that means, congratulations, Cheryl, you won the diffuser, and you were my random picker that it chose. So see, you can always win, you never know. So make sure if you bought today's BOGO that you go ahead and comment in this feed or one of the feeds so I know you got it. If you bought the BOGO box for the week, then just remind me that you got the box every day and you'll automatically get entered into the daily drawing. So today's BOGO is all about respiratory support, which is perfect for this time of year, right? When we start feeling ill, under the weather, we're having trouble getting deep breaths, this is a power punch combo. So you buy a Peppermint 15 ml and you get a 10 ml Breathe Touch. So it's already pre-diluted. I do want to mention that BOGO boxes have been extended for today. They are almost about 80% sold out. So when they're gone, they're gone. If you want to just pay for shipping once and get all of the BOGOs for the week, that is the best way. If you know somebody who wants a free enrollment, all they have to do is buy the BOGO box and they get their enrollment for the year paid for. So let's talk about the benefits of some of these oils that we have going on. So right here is we're going to talk a little bit about peppermint, right? If you know my husband, he doesn't go anywhere without peppermint. Okay, it's always in his pocket. It is his go-to that he uses in the car, on long car rides. It is the go-to for waking him up and keeping him alert by putting it on the back of his neck. It is one that he's using when he has aches and pains. It is also one that I've used for freshen my breath and to help with digestion issues. All of these have some amazing things. And so like is probably one of the top 10 oils I would say that doTERRA has. So there's lots of ways to use this. So I have this up so you can see all of the different ways. There's 10 ways on the left, and we have veggie cap recipes on the right. So hey, we're getting close to the new year, right? Skinny jeans is probably something we're going to want to try to do that in a veggie cap, or mucus be gone. I can see that being an issue here as we go into winter wellness class on Wednesday night. So just thought I would give you a couple suggestions on how you can use this. Definitely I've used it as a mouthwash. I've used it as in the diffuser with wild orange to help with my kids' homework and focus and memory, all that kind of stuff. I've used it for digestive issues. Here are some more other options for you right here. So I'm going to disappear my picture here so you can see the roller recipe. So I have some diffuser ideas because it's super easy to put in the diffuser. Works really well with woods and citrus oils. So you'll see a lot of that in there. And then I wanted to give you some rollerball recipes. So I mentioned it's really good for energy boost. It's good for pain and discomfort. It's also good for respiratory. So here are some great rollerball recipes for you to use and jot down. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the Breathe. So I know this shows the 15 ml bottle, but for reals, we know we're getting the touch, right, for free. They are the same thing, right? It's pre-diluted in the touch form. So I just want to give you some real life uses for this one. You can see it's all things respiratory. So you can put it on the bridge of your nose if you're feeling congested, or if you're going to put your mask on, it's a great thing. You can put it on the bridge of your nose, or you can just swipe your clean mask and then put it on. That's definitely going to help a whole lot with that. shower door. When you're showering, it's a great thing to drop a drop of Breathe on there. So if you have the 15 ml bottle, you can totally do that as well. But I wanted to show, really, because it's a blend, I wanted to show what oils are in that blend and why they put them in there. So there is a really big science behind all of the blends, and it's kind of fun to find out why they have certain blends or oils in the blends. So lemon is going to help with respiratory function, and we know how uplifting because it's a citrus. We have laurel leaf. Many of us have the product of the month where it came exclusively for that 1 month. This one is super good for respiratory support and focus, but you can see it has the eucalyptol, which is known for its cleansing properties. We have eucalyptus oil in here, which is going to help with relaxing, like de-stressing, calming you down, and helping with that clear breathing. We have Raven Sara and Ravet Saran. And these actually help with of course, the respiratory and opening up those airways. Our peppermint is in this blend too. And we know that that's going to be great for discomfort, airways, and with digestion. There's lots of ways to use peppermint. And then cardamom is known for helping with those really deep coughs that you have. Cardamom is great for that. It's going to really help clear out the lungs so that you can breathe easily. And the Melaleuca, or tea tree oil, as it's known in the United States now, is going to purify and freshen and help any gunk that's in there. So I wanted to show you what was inside of the Breathe Touch so you can understand better how to apply and use this. All right, so if you buy today's Bogo or you bought the Bogo box, comment below and let me know so that you get in today's drawing. So today's drawing, you get to choose. I've got the 2 different kinds, and I didn't want to just say, hey, you only get this kind. I'm going to allow the winner to choose whether or not they want the rollerball tops or the 5 ml, 15 ml toppers. So the way that they work is they go onto your rollerball like this, and then you have the carabiner on the end, so you can snap it on your backpack, in your purse, in your gym bag, wherever you want, and have your oils kind of on your go, easy access that way. So we're going to give that away to somebody there. But again, you got to comment below, let me know that you got that. So tip, if you're going to buy today, do it through the loyalty rewards program if you can. You'll get all of your shipping back in points. However, when you do it on the program, just remember that you have to put just a regular priced product on there, not a promotional item on there, for it to process as a loyalty rewards order. But this is the best way to do it, so you get all of your shipping back in that. And I would tell you guys, pay a little bit more if you want it sooner, because the shipping is going to take a little bit longer as we go into the holiday season. So just thought I would let you guys know about that. I think that is it for today. Comment below, let me know what you think about today's Bogo. Maybe share what you use it for. Love, love, love this. I think everybody needs this. If you have a friend who's never tried essential oils, this might be a good gift. This might be a great time for them to buy for themselves so they can try out this product. All right, we will see you tomorrow at noon to go over the next Bogo and to announce the winner. So take care, my friends, and keep those oils handy.